Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add overlays now. First, import your base clip and overlay files into VideoStar and set project resolution to match your output. This avoids scaling issues. Once done, place the main footage on track 1, then drag overlay PNGs or short video loops onto a higher track above. Make sure overlays are named clearly so you can locate them quickly. This gets you immediately into editing instead of fiddling with settings later. Now you refine placement and behavior. Use the transform controls to scale and place an overlay. Small tweaks make it read naturally on the shot. Next, change blend modes like screen or add to remove black backgrounds and match lighting. Use multiply sparingly for darker looks. Then animate with keyframes. Set start and end positions or opacity to create movement or a reveal. Once keyframes are set, scrub the timeline to confirm timing and make incremental adjustments so the overlay feels anchored to the footage. Finish by balancing color and ensuring performance. Color correct overlays with brightness and saturation so they don't look pasted on. Add subtle blur if needed to match lens. Render a quick test clip to check for compression artifacts or misaligned keyframes. If you see halo edges, reduce feather or switch blend mode. If overlays drift, nudge their keyframes or enable frame lock to maintain sync. Finally, export at your target bitrate and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.